my name is Lauren, and today we're going to be making a poison apple cocktail. If you want to learn how to make this cocktail, stay tuned. So our ingredients are going to be pomegranate juice, grenadine, I have apple soda. If you can't find apple soda, use apple cider. We have cinnamon, allspice, and to really make it poison, you're gonna add dry ice and some edible glitter. We're gonna add ice to our cocktail. It's a great base. And then we're gonna start off with our first ingredient, which is our pomegranate juice. We're gonna add 2 ounces of our pomegranate juice. Next, we're gonna add a ½ ounce of our grenadine. So we're gonna make the mocktail version, but if you want the cocktail version, be sure to check out the video of the fall infused vodka. You can use that, or you can use some golden rum. So from here, we're gonna add a dash of our cinnamon and our allspice. Not too much. That's enough. Okay. Then we're gonna take our secret ingredient, which is edible glitter. We're just gonna add a little bit. I'm not gonna include the gingerbread syrup. I feel like this is seasonal enough for me, but if you love a good fall drink, definitely add about ½ ounce of your gingerbread syrup. We're gonna top this with our apple soda. There we go. Give it a good mix. And before you serve, we're gonna add a single cube of dry ice. Do not use your bare hands, use a scoop or tongs, and we're gonna add this to give it the poison apple effect. And here is your poison apple mocktail or cocktail. So if you decide to make this drink, be sure to tag me. I would love to see. Have a spooky Halloween season. Cheers.